Oh, that's some good coke. Arthur, where you been?
That's why I'm here. I want Brennan out of the deal.
Wow. Questo era cosa. È futamente pazzo. Why the fuck would I betray my friend of 13 years? You bring me $100,000. Oh, that's how much my honor's worth, right? Take a look at this one right here. I'm gonna be having to call me daddy before the end of the night. Ain't that right, sweet cheeks?
6 murders, 6 locations, eyes plucked out, weird symbols. Each victim doesn't have anything in common with the other, and each victim ripped out their own eyeballs. What is going on?
Oh, shit.
What could possibly be more important than...
Whoa! If you would just let me talk. No. The being these cultists worship isn't what we thought it was. I ignored you and my problems for too long. And it's just too hard to care again. It's like a stab in the heart every single day. So yeah, I wanted to escape. Yeah, I didn't want to face my consequences. Kids, I'm just doing my job. If you don't back off, you'll find yourself in a whole heap of trouble.
You look up Anthony Tocco, and then you ask yourself if you want to come back here. All right?
Yeah. All right, Anthony. We're gonna find out about Mr. Tocco.
Sabrina! Sabrina, if you can hear me, can you please come out? It's been a couple weeks since your parents called in a missing report. I've been filled in about the concerns with your father. But selling drugs isn't gonna fix that. It's not worth going down this path. We can talk about your father. But first, I want to make sure that you guys are okay. So if you can hear this, please come out.
We have 317 on Redstone Avenue, calling all available units.